Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So today I'm back with another video, and it's about how to download an Instagram video to your galleries. Or I've made a video. My last video was about Facebook download, but this time it's about Instagram. Yeah, I, I'm sorry for my voice. I have some little cold, so pardon me for that. But I'll try my best because I always like to help my audience. So let's start today's tutorial. So you open your Instagram app. Yeah, you open it, but please make sure you've logged into your account. So afterwards you come to where the videos are, or if you want to download a picture or a video, but we'll focus on video for today. Then you scroll to where the videos are and which of them you want to download. So let's take, for example, I want this Ronaldo's video. So you just click on this three dots here, then you copy the link. Then afterwards you come to your home page. So you come to your home page. Please, before I continue the video, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment about it to help me grow my channel for me, and share to your friends too. So let's continue the video. So after you've copied the link from Instagram, you open your browser, any browser that you are using, being it Opera Mini, Google Chrome, or whatever. You open it, then you type in this website. So let's focus on it. You type in igram.io. You type in that website, then this is the interface of the website. So you just paste the video link in the box provided here, and you paste it here. Then you click on download. Afterwards it will load, and you see it's downloading. So let's wait whilst it loads. So this is the video, as you can see, and the uploader that uploaded that video to Instagram is also there, and the number of views it has gotten on Instagram is also there. So you just MP4, so you will download it. You click on the download, so you see it has started downloading. It has started downloading, and it also saves some space for you. It limits it, like it it compresses the size of the video to a short one, so that you can download it, and it will save some space for you. So it has finished the load. Let's click on it and see whether it is the right video. Click on it. You can see that's the video, and when you come to Instagram too, that's the same video here. You come here. Let's see. That was the same video. So thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more contents like this, and share to your friends too. See you some other time. Bye.